Now if you want to see again the project list, you can just close this project. So don't worry, in Picasso DG photo album all the work is auto save, so there is no need to manually save the project or pages operation, all these things. This will be automatically saved every time. So we can close the project just by clicking on a close project. So once the project is closed, again you can see the project list. In that project list you can see your new project, that one is the demo project, and the pages in that project, as we do not add any new page, so by default there is only one page is there. So now if you want to open this project, you can double click on the page, or you can click on open button, or you can use shortcut key Ctrl O. Just type. So this again demo project is open. You can close the project. Now next option, if you want to delete some project, you can delete the project using this delete project button, or you can use shortcut key Ctrl Shift Delete. Next thing, if you want to rename this project, you can rename this project to, for example, demo 123. I want to rename it to demo 123. So this project is renamed. So basic operation for the project we covered, that is creating a new album, opening the project, you can delete the project, you can edit the project or rename the project. Again give the same name, demo. Okay.